Hi there, and thanks for watching on my channel today. And we're gonna try the Oreo Blizzard Cake from Dairy Queen. And this is the ice cream cake that I have from yesterday night. And we're just gonna review it today and see how it tastes. Okay? So here's the taste of the Oreo Blizzard Cake that I got from Dairy Queen today. So cheers. Still good. I love it. But it's obviously a good thing to have a Oreo Blizzard Cake from Dairy Queen. It's 100% good, but that's why I love Dairy Queen, that I can go. But the price for the cake was around $47.50. But it might be cost over $50 for the cake from Dairy Queen that I bought for today. So I didn't go anywhere to buy the ice cream cake from the stores that I go, but only in the fast food restaurant that I go is Dairy Queen. Oh yeah, very good. Because you can try any Dairy Queen ice cream cake, whatever I want, just next time. But in the meantime, it's all the things that I got a cake from Dairy Queen, that I get the flat sheet cake for everyone to share. And that's what my birthday is 2 days ago, and then we make a party for 1 day ago at night. But it's all good, I can tell. Thank you and have a good day. We will see you in the next video for more videos. So take care now and have a good day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel anytime, everyone.